When disaster hits or the power grid goes down, the last things you want is to be unprepared. In this video, we are looking at 10 must-have doomsday survival gear items for 2026. From satellite internet and thermal vision to clear water, medical gear, food and shelter. These products can help you stay ready when normal lives stop working. Without a further ado, let's get straight into it. Number 1. Starlink Mini Kit. Communication is one of the first things that can fail during a disaster. The Starlink Mini Kit gives you a portable satellite internet in remote areas with power and a clear view of the sky. It can help you access maps, weather alerts, emergencies, update news and communication apps. In modern survival, information is power. That is why Starlink Mini takes the first spot on this list. Number 2. The AGM Taipan B2 Thermal Imaging Monocular helps you see heat signature in the dark. That means you can detect people, animals or vehicles even when your eyes cannot see them. It can work in darkness, fog, smoke, forest and open fields. For doomsday survival, thermal vision gives you a powerful advantage. Seeing fast can help you act fast. Number 3. Camping Perimeter Alarm Kit. Security is not only about protection, it is also about awareness. The LETWESAF Camping Perimeter Alarm Kit helps you create an early warning system around your camp, property or shelter. If something enters your area, it can alert you and gives you extra time to react. For camping, remote cabins, farms, emergency shelter, this can add a strong layer of safety. Then come to the number 4. Better Geiger S2 Radiation Detector. Radiation is invisible. You cannot see it, feel it right away. The Better Geiger S2 Radiation Detector helps you check radiation levels in your areas. This can be helpful after nuclear accident, industrial disaster or unknown contamination events. Hopefully you never need it, but in a serious emergencies, information like this can help you decide when to leave or stay. Number 5. Mission Darkness Faraday Backpack. It is made to protect important electronics from water, bad weather and wireless signals. It has waterproof 500D PVC exterior, welded seams and a signal blocking compartment. It can help shield phone, radios, GPS, hard drives and small electronics from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth cell, GPS, RFID and radio signals. For doomsday preparedness, this is useful for protecting your backpack, electronics, maps, data and communication device in rough conditions. Number 6. Grayl Titanium Water Purifier. Clean water is survival. The Grayl Titanium Water Purifier helps turn questionable water into safer drinkable water. It is useful for rivers, lakes, ponds and unknown water source. The titanium version is also strong and durable, which makes it greater for serious survival use. For bug-out bags, camping, hiking, emergencies, kits, this is one of the most important items to have. Number 7. MyMedic Recon Pro First Aid Kit. In an emergency, medical help may not arrive quickly. The MyMedic Recon Pro First Aid Kit is made for outdoor survival and emergency situations. It includes supplies for cut, burn, wounds and trauma care. A good first aid kit gives you options before professional help arrives. In a real crisis, medical gear is not optional, it is essential. Number 8. ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply Bucket. During a disaster, food can disappear from a store very quickly. The ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply Bucket is made for long-term storage and emergency use. You can keep it at home, in a cabin or in a survival shelter. Most meals are easy to prepare with water and heat. When supply chain fail, stored food can give you real peace of mind. Number 9. OneTigris Rock Fortress Hot Tent. Shelter is one of the most important parts of survival. OneTigris Rock Fortress Hot Tent is made for outdoor emergencies. It has a stove jack, so you can use a compatible wood stove inside for heat. It can become a warm survival shelter when the weather gets dangerous. Number 10. Basecamp Cooking System. When the power goes out, cooking becomes a real problem. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp cooking systems gives you a reliable way to boil water and cook food outdoors. It is compact, foldable and strong enough for serious camp cooking. For power outages, camping, bug-out situation or emergency meal, this system is much better than depending only on your home kitchen. So these are the 10 must-have doomsday survival gear items for today. Which one would you choose first in a real emergency? Comment below and let us know. If you want more survival gear, outdoor tools and emergency preparedness product, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.